how did I not learn this sooner? This egg trick is so simple that once you try it, you'll want to make it again and again. Today I'm going to show you an incredibly easy recipe that transforms a few basic ingredients into a crispy, creamy snack that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or even an afternoon treat. Stay with me until the end because I'll also share a few simple tips that make this recipe even more delicious. Let's get started. I have 6 hard-boiled eggs here, and the first thing I'm going to do is mash them. Instead of chopping them with a knife, I'm placing them inside a clean plastic bag and gently squeezing them. This method is much quicker, creates less mess, and gives the eggs a perfectly even texture. Keep squeezing until the eggs are broken into very small pieces. The finer the eggs are mashed, the creamier and smoother the filling will be. Now let's add plenty of flavor. I'm adding about 150 grams of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise gives the filling a rich, creamy texture and helps bind all the ingredients together, making every bite smooth and satisfying. Next, I'm adding finely chopped parsley, green onions, and cilantro. These fresh herbs add wonderful color, freshness, and aroma while balancing the richness of the mayonnaise. They also bring a bright homemade flavor that makes this recipe taste even better. Now I'm seasoning everything with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. The salt enhances all the flavors, while the black pepper adds just a gentle kick without overpowering the filling. Close the bag again and mix everything with your hands by gently squeezing it. This simple trick blends every ingredient evenly without dirtying extra bowls or utensils. Continue squeezing until the mayonnaise completely coats every piece of egg. When it's ready, you'll have a creamy, flavorful filling that's smooth, rich, and absolutely delicious. Tell me in the comments, which country are you watching from? I'd love to know where everyone is joining us today. Now gently push the filling toward one corner of the bag and twist, or seal the other end. This instantly turns the bag into a homemade piping bag, making it much easier to fill the bread neatly without making a mess. With our filling ready, it's time to prepare the dough. I'm using regular sandwich bread. If you have crustless bread, that's even better, but if not, simply trim off the crusts. Removing the crust helps the bread seal more easily and creates a softer, more delicate snack. Using a rolling pin, flatten each slice until it's nice and thin. Rolling the bread makes it flexible, easier to fold, and helps create a crispy outer layer once it's fried. Now pipe a generous amount of the creamy egg filling into the center of the bread. Then add a little mozzarella cheese on top. As it cooks, the mozzarella melts into the filling, creating a rich, gooey center that's hard to resist. Lightly brush a little water around the edges of the bread. This simple step works like natural glue, helping the slices stick together securely during frying. Place another flattened slice on top and use a fork to press firmly around all the edges. Not only does this seal the snack tightly, but it also creates a beautiful decorative pattern around the outside. We've already prepared several of them, and now it's time for the crispy coating. Dip each one into beaten egg, making sure it's completely covered. The egg helps the breadcrumbs stick evenly and creates a beautiful golden finish. Next, coat each piece thoroughly in breadcrumbs. This layer is the secret too, getting that wonderfully crunchy exterior while keeping the inside creamy and soft. Now carefully place them into hot oil. Fry over medium heat until the bottom becomes beautifully golden brown. Then gently flip them over to cook the other side. Frying at the right temperature allows the bread to become crisp while the cheese inside melts perfectly. Just look at them now. They're evenly golden, wonderfully crispy on the outside, and smell absolutely amazing. The crunchy coating combined with the creamy egg filling and melted mozzarella creates an incredible contrast of textures that makes every bite irresistible. Let's cut one open so you can see the inside. Look at that creamy egg filling mixed with stretchy melted cheese. It's rich, flavorful, and perfectly cooked. This is one of those simple recipes that looks impressive but is incredibly easy to prepare with everyday ingredients. If you're looking for a quick breakfast, an afternoon snack, or a delicious appetizer for family and friends, this recipe is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who loves easy homemade recipes,